Hi kids, in today's video we are going to start chapter number 4, which is living things and their environment. In this chapter we learn about environment and its components, types of environments, and classification of animals according to eating habits. So let's start. Let's learn about environment. When we talk about environment, we mean everything around us which can affect our lives. It includes air, water, sunlight, plants, and animals. Plants and animals are its living components. Air, sunlight, soil, and water are its non-living components. A very interesting activity is here. The given picture shows an environment of a park. Observe it carefully. Fill green and red color to the living things, yellow and orange color to the moving things, to the non-living things. So this, kids, you can do on your own. Types of environment. Living organisms have their specific environment. They live in their own environment and get all the needs of life from it. There are various types of environments such as oceans, forests, deserts, ponds, urban and rural environment. Organisms show adaptation according to their particular environment. This means that these organisms possess certain features that help them in living successfully and comfortably in that environment. This is a very good activity of word puzzle. You need to find these words: pond, desert, mountain, river, ocean, grassland and forest. This is very easy. So you need to do it on your own, kids. It's a fun game. Effects of organisms upon one another. Many kinds of organisms live together in an environment. They influence the lives of one another. Sometimes one organism harms the other. On the other hand, they may be mutually beneficial. We can say that they are essential for one another. All the living things are well adapted to their environment. The bodies of water animals suit them well to move in water without much resistance. The boat-shaped body of a fish helps it swim in water easily. On the contrary, the land animals like dogs, goats, lions, and monkeys, etc., have bodies suitable to live on land. The animals living on land breathe through lungs, while the animals living in water, like fish, breathe through gills. Producers, consumers, and decomposers. Let's look at them. Plants prepare food for themselves and for all other organisms. That is why they are called producers. They produce various types of food, which include fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. All vegetation, including herbs, shrubs, and trees, are producers. Algae are another important example of producers. Algae float on water surface and are a major source of food for water animals. Consumers. Animals cannot prepare their food themselves. Some get their food from plants. All such animals which depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food are called consumers. Decomposers. You have studied about bacteria and fungi. What type of food is consumed by these organisms? They decompose or break down the dead bodies of animals and plants into simple components and mix them in the soil for reuse by the plants for preparing foods. They are thus called decomposers. During this activity, they get their food as well. So kids, there's an activity for you. You have to identify producers, consumers and decomposers, and you need to write P for producers, C for consumer and D for decomposers. This is all from my side. I hope you understood and enjoyed this topic, which is very important, very basic. I'll be back with some more. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.